MAS 696 dual cab locomotive WDP4D. Existing WDP4 WDG4 loco. In the existing WDP4 WDG4 locomotive, only one driver cabin is there with two control consoles. The number one control console right side faces forward. The number two control console left side faces rearward. Majority of the driver operated locomotive controls are located in control console only. Control console 1, control console 2. Driver cabin. Dual cab. Dual cab locomotives has two driver cabins with one control console of each cabin. The dual cab locomotive control is based on BL key concept of electric locomotives. Each cab will have a BL key. Existing cab SH side is named as cab 1 and new cab LH side is named as cab 2. In which cab BL key is inserted and turned to on is called active cab, other one is called inactive cab. We can operate locomotive from active cab only. This is WTP4D dual cab loco. Existing loco. WDP4D dual cab loco. In WDP4D dual cab locomotive is with two driver cabins. The number one control console in cab 1, the number 2 control console in cab 2. May the dual cab locomotive WDP4B. Electrical control cabinet ECC minor modifications. Electrical control cabinet ECC 2. Electrical control cabinet ECC 3. Electrical control cabinet ECC 4. Traction control cabinet TCC. Control console for cab 1 new. Control console for cab 2 new. Crossbar assembly. Brake chopper assembly. Harness for dual cab loco. Electrical control cabinet 1. The electrical control cabinet 1 houses some of the electrical and electronic equipment needed to power and control the locomotive. Same as WDP4, WDG4 locomotive, but following changes are implemented for dual cab purpose. Number 1. VFD display removed. In place of the two TFT displays provided in each control console. Number 2. BL key switch added. BL key logic implemented as same as electric loco. Electrical control cabinet 2 ECC2 contains starting motor circuit and battery charging circuit same as WDP4 WDG4 locomotive. There is no changes in ECC2 for dual cab purpose. Electrical control cabinet 3 ECC3 contains two radiator fan control circuit same as WDP4 WDG4 locomotive. Traction control cabinet TCC contains electrical and electronic equipment needed to power and control the traction motors same as WDP4 WDG4 locomotive. There is no changes in TCC for dual cab purposes. Electrical control cabinet 4. Electrical control cabinet 4 cab 2 will have a miniature ECC1 panel named as ECC4. Sub-assemblies of ECC4. Number 1. Isolation switch. Number 2. EFCO switch. Number 3. Classification light switch. Number 4. Memory freeze switch. Number 5. Alerter alarm. Number 6. TELM switch. Number 7. RAPB switch. Number 8. Fuel prime engine start switch. Number 9. BL key. Number 10. Computer control CB. Number 11. Micro air brake CB. Number 12. Cab fans and light CB. Generator field CB. Number 14. GRNTCOW SW. Control console left side view. Control console right side view. Default screen. main menu screen, crew messages screen, data meter screen, TM1 and 2 parameter screen, load test screen, fault archive screen, silent features of dual cap. All necessary switches and breakers are duplicated on ECC4 of cap 2 also. 4 TFT displays are provided in both caps. We can see all parameters in displays of both caps simultaneously. Recycling feature of LCC and CCB is given in both caps. Isolation feature is given in both the caps. EFCO switch provided in both the caps to shut down the engine from any cap. Rectified drivers visibility problem in rear side driving. Some necessary switches are duplicated for assistant driver also. TE bar BE meter, speedometer and lights, sand, PCS open, flasher, wheel slip, brake on, TE limit, etc. were shifted from control console to TFT display. Silent features of dual cab. BL key interlock. Number 1 TE limit. Number 2 RAPB. Number 3 GF request switch. Number 4 alerter reset. Number 5 horn. Headlight circuit breaker is provided in cab 1 only. There is no separate circuit breaker for fans in the cab 2 only. One circuit breaker named lights and fan circuit breaker which provides supply for both lights and fans in cab 2. Appropriate crew messages were provided to guide the driver like number 1 BL key removed in both the cabs. Number 2 cab 1 is active. Number 3 generator field circuit breaker should be closed in cab 1. Number 4 generator field circuit breaker should be closed in cab 2. Number 5 micro air brake circuit breaker is off in cab 1. Number 6 micro air brake circuit breaker is off in cab 2. Thank you.